Over 12 crore jobs are lost during this coronavirus pandemic. In just 20 weeks in 2020, over 12 crore jobs are lost. So, अगर आपकी भी जॉब चली गई है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पेंडेमिक और बिकॉज ऑफ एनी रीज़न, यू माइट बी प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू, और जब आप इंटरव्यूअर के सामने बैठे हैं, यू विल फेस tough questions. You may face really tough questions that why you are being laid off from your previous employer, from your previous company. So you have to prepare for those questions. So this video is for you. और अगर आप अपने किसी भी तरह के इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, this video will help you that how to answer tricky questions and how to answer any type of question in your interview. Fine, this video is going to be very very beneficial for you, so please watch till the end. चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो, आई रियली वॉन्ट टू अर्ज यू दैट प्लीज वॉच द फुल वीडियो एंड हिट द लाइक बटन. अगर आपको थोड़ी भी वैल्यू इस वीडियो से मिलती है तो प्लीज़ लाइक बटन दबा दीजिएगा दोस्तों. इट मोटिवेट्स मी अलॉट. एंड डू लेट मी नो इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी, और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि किसी और तरह की वीडियो, किसी और सब्जेक्ट पर मैं एक वीडियो बनाऊं, सो डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई विल रीड, आई विल रिप्लाई टू ऑल द कमेंट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. राइट, चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो. सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज हाउ टू आंसर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस अबाउट बीइंग लेड ऑफ. यस, यू आर बीइंग लेड ऑफ फ्रॉम योर previous employer and now you are jobless. I am also getting calls from my family, friends, neighbors that Ankit, lost my job, so many EMIs to pay and I lost my job. What to do next? People are doing suicides because of that. Yes, the future is really uncertain, guys. Really uncertain. Okay, this is uncertain. If we talk about businesses, if we talk about big industries, anybody, future is uncertain, and hence it is also uncertain for the salaried guys, also for the salary people, for the people who are in jobs. Okay, so पहली बात तो आप ये समझिए that you are not fired. Fine. So जो एक गिल्ट वाली आपके अंदर अगर फीलिंग आ रही है that you get laid off, you are not fired guys. ठीक है, आप निकाले नहीं गए हैं. This is just like they are reducing their workforce, okay, or they are downsizing, or there is a mass reduction going on. I am using the word reduction. Okay, आपको भी अपने इंटरव्यूअर को यही समझाना है. This is a mass reduction going on. सिर्फ आप नहीं निकाले गए हैं. There is a bunch of people who are being laid off. Fine, you are among them. इसका मतलब ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि आप इनएफिशिएंट हैं, कि आप अनएम्प्लॉयबल हैं. इसका मतलब ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. ये चीज़ आपको हाईलाइट करनी होगी अपने इंटरव्यू में. फाइन, नेक्स्ट थिंग, इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस ये जो ले ऑफ हो रहा है ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेस्ड जॉब्स में ज़्यादा हो रहा है. राइट नाउ इफ आई कैन सी नियर बाय मी इन माई सराउंडिंग, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेस्ड वर्कर्स आर बीइंग लेड ऑफ. उनको पिंक स्लिप्स दिखा के वापस घर भेजा जा रहा है दैट योर सर्विसेज आर नो मोर रिक्वायर्ड. वी आर नॉट जनरेटिंग द बिजनेस, वी आर नॉट जनरेटिंग सेल्स हेयर, हाउ कैन वी पे यू? योर सर्विसेज आर नॉट नो मोर रिक्वायर्ड. मुझे एक बात बताइए, यू लॉस्ट योर जॉब, नौकरी जा चुकी है आपकी, यू डोंट हैव अ जॉब राइट नाउ, यू आर सिटिंग एट योर होम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to think about it that now you have become a full-time job search engine. Yes or no? आप फुल टाइम जॉब सर्च इंजन बन चुके हैं. और अगर आप सुबह, दोपहर, शाम, मॉर्निंग, आफ्टरनून, इवनिंग, ऑल द टाइम यू विल बी सर्चिंग फॉर अ जॉब, कि आपको एक महीने के अंदर जॉब नहीं मिल जाएगी. और अगर नहीं मिल पा रही है, सो दिस इज़ योर इनकेपेबिलिटी. आपको जॉब सर्च करनी आती नहीं. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल टेल यू अबाउट दैट थिंग ऑल्सो. First of all, what you can do is you can just make a LinkedIn profile. You might be having a LinkedIn profile. आप जो भी ये वीडियो मेरी देख रहे हैं, 80% of you might be having a LinkedIn profile. But the thing is, you don't know how to use a LinkedIn profile, how to use LinkedIn platform. आपको आता ही नहीं है. You are not able to leverage this particular platform. तो क्या करना है? If you really want a video on this particular topic, how to leverage LinkedIn platform to get a job, do let me know in the comment section. I will make a video. In next few days I will make a video for you how to leverage LinkedIn platform. Okay, so right now what you can do is, please be active, please be more active on LinkedIn platform. ओके जितने एक्टिव आप naukri.com या monster.com पर हैं उससे ज़्यादा एक्टिव यू हैव टू बी ऑन LinkedIn platform. It can actually get you the right job and the right platform. Believe me guys. So start investing more of your time in LinkedIn platform. Okay, next thing. Yeah. Now when you will go for an interview, जैसे ही आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जाएंगे, many hiring managers might have a biased opinion against you, a biased opinion, yes, that why you are being laid off from your job, क्यों आपको निकाला गया अपनी जॉब से, right? They might be biased against you, but you have to tell them the thing, the right thing, like what actually happened. Okay, you have to basically prepare for these answers, these particular answers they are looking for. Okay, so first thing, क्या पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है जिसकी वजह से आपको अपनी जॉब से ले ऑफ किया गया? फर्स्ट थिंग इज मर्जर्स एंड एक्विजिशंस. You know the term merger and acquisition, when two company gets merged, okay, and when one big company acquire the small one, उस वक्त क्या होता है? डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ रोल्स हो जाता है. डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ रोल्स. गाइज लेट्स सपोज आप एक अकाउंटेंसी प्रोफाइल का एग्जांपल ले लीजिए. देयर आर 20 accountants in firm A and 20 in firm B. Now they get merged, or firm A acquire firm B. Now there are a total of 40 account professionals, but they require maybe 20 or 25 or 30. In this case they have to lay off the remaining 10. They don't have any option with them. So these are the scenarios because of lay off happens, right? अगर lay off हो रहा है इसका मतलब ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है that you are not employable, right? So you have to have that perfect, that accurate, right mindset with you first. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. Now perhaps there can be a reorganization going on in your particular company. Reorganization क्यों होता है? Maybe they are having less market share, they are losing their market share, or they need to cut cost. They simply need to cut cost. They are reorganizing their structure of their company. Hence they showed you the pink slip. आपको अपनी जॉब से जाना होगा. Your services are no more required. Okay, so these can be the reasons that you get laid off. Now 5 powerful tips from my side that will help you to answer these type of questions after being laid off. Okay, 5 rock solid tips. Tip number one is KISS. Yes, this particular strategy, this particular framework, KISS, actually applies to lot of things. It applies to KISS. Keep it simple and short, guys. Keep it simple and short. Now how you have to keep it simple and short? First of all, you have to maintain a neutral or a positive tone towards your previous employer. Okay, you don't have to badmouth about your previous employer. First and the foremost thing that you have to remember, आपको गलती से भी badmouth नहीं करना है अपने previous employer के बारे में या फिर अपने previous boss के बारे में. You don't have to use disparaging remarks against maybe your previous colleagues, your bosses, maybe your upper management. No, avoid using disparaging remarks about them. Next thing is, please be honest with your response. Honesty is the best policy. You have to be honest in your response, because if you are smart, they are smarter than you. Your interviewer is smarter than you. Okay, if you will lie something, if you will lie with him, they will definitely get it cross-checked with your previous employer and you will get caught and you will not get the job. At the end of the day, you will not get the job. So please don't lie. You have to be honest. Tip number two. Tip number two is show them how you added value in your previous organization. Value, value and value. मेरा कोई भी सेमिनार हो या फिर मेरा कोई भी वर्कशॉप हो या फिर मेरी जो रेगुलर क्लासेस चलती हैं, आई गिव क्लासेस ऑन कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. मेरे जो भी चैंपियंस होता है ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट गिविंग वैल्यू, प्रोवाइडिंग वैल्यू. ऑलराइट, एक पावरफुल कोट है, मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहता हूं. दैट दिस इज दैट यू गेट पेड in a company, you get paid because of the value you provide them and not because of your time. So please stop thinking on those lines कि आप सुबह 9 बजे से 6 बजे तक किसी जॉब में जा रहे हैं, इस वजह से आपको they are paying you. No, they are just paying you because of the value you are adding in the company. Okay, so always focus on adding more and more and more of value in your company. So in order to do that, what you can do, you have to make a list of your accomplishments. अपने accomplishments के लिस्ट बनाइए और उस लिस्ट को शोकेस कीजिए अपने एम्प्लॉयर के साथ, अपने फ्यूचर एम्प्लॉयर के साथ जो इस वक्त आपके इंटरव्यूअर हैं. ओके, यू कैन टेल देम दैट हाउ यू यूज्ड योर स्किल्स इन इंक्रीजिंग देयर सेल्स. ओके, मे बी इंक्रीजिंग देयर प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस क्वालिटी, मे बी saving their money or of any sort, how you helped them. Okay, you can emphasize on the skills, emphasize on the skills, emphasize on the knowledge, emphasize on your qualities that you leveraged to get those results. All right, how you have to showcase those things. You can showcase those things by using anecdotes, examples. You can tell them the exact anecdote that this is how it happened and this is how I helped my previous employer to tackle that situation. Okay, so you can actually explain them with the help of the stories, anecdotes, examples. They are always very, very effective, guys. And the next thing is, guys, please don't forget to fill in the gap. Fill in the gap. क्या मतलब है इसका? लेट्स सपोज 2 महीने पहले आपकी नौकरी जा चुकी है. यू लॉस्ट योर जॉब 2 months बैक. नाउ यू आर ज्वाइनिंग योर न्यू जॉब. ओके, न्यू एम्प्लॉयर. बीच में 2 महीने का ट्रांजिशन पीरियड आ गया है. 2 महीने, 2 months you were doing nothing. You have to explain that transition period, what exactly you were doing in that period. You have to explain that. You have to fill in that gap. Maybe you are volunteering somewhere. Okay, in a social activity you are volunteering somewhere, or maybe you are just learning online courses, sitting at home online you are learning various courses, various new things, or you are doing some consulting sort of thing, anything of that sort. But you need to justify that gap in between. You need to justify. If you are not able to justify that gap, again you are not able to justify that you didn't even added value to yourself. Guys, please pay attention. अगर वो आप गैप जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आप अपनी ही लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड नहीं कर पाए उन 2 महीने के दौरान. और एक बात बताइए, अगर आप अपनी ही लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड नहीं कर पाए तो आप किसी कंपनी में क्या वैल्यू ऐड करेंगे? जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. थिंक अबाउट इट. ओके, सो ऐड वैल्यू, मे बी टू योर कंपनी, टू योर सेल्फ, टू एनीबडी. Adding value is the key to success. So please keep on adding value. What right now I am doing, what I am doing after my office hours, I am adding value in your life. I am trying to help you out, guys. Hence I always say, please keep on adding value. Keep on adding value. Now, tip number 3 from my side is getting the references. Reference from your past employer, from your ex-boss, from your ex-manager. And guys, if you were very efficient in your job, ठीक है, आप बहुत ही इफेक्टिवली अपनी जॉब को कर रहे थे, बहुत ही तरीके से, बहुत ही डेडिकेशन से आप जॉब को कर रहे थे, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पेंडेमिक यू गेट लेड ऑफ, then in that case your boss, your ex-manager will definitely write a testimonial for you. Okay, they will definitely refer you. They will not hesitate referring you. क्या वो हेजिटेट करेंगे आपको रेफर करने में? बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे. इफ़ यू वर डेडिकेटेड इन योर जॉब, सो यू कैन आस्क फॉर दोज रेफरेंसेस फ्रॉम योर फॉर्मर कलीग्स, फ्रॉम योर प्रोफेशनल एसोसिएशन और समथिंग. बट you have to ask for those references. Tip number 4, showcasing your past work. Guys, हो सकता है ये वीडियो लंबे होने वाली है, but these 5 tips you have to implement in your life to crack any interview. Tip number 4 is showcasing your past work. Again, in my coaching classes, I always tell my champions, guys, if you are not able to communicate your thing, मान के चलिए आप किसी जॉब में हैं, आपने कुछ काम करा एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू कम्युनिकेट दैट वर्क टू योर बॉस, व्हाट्स द यूज ऑफ डूइंग दैट? अगर आप बता ही नहीं पाए कि आपने क्या करा, if you are not good at communication, same is the case with showcasing your skills, showcasing your past work. क्या क्या काम आपने किया, you have to tell them. You have to tell them. Okay, so showcasing your past work is very, very important. In order to do that, what all you can do? You have to build your portfolio, portfolio of the work samples, what all you did and what all you can do in order to add value. Okay. But one more thing, one very important thing in that, when you will be portraying, when you will be having a portfolio of your work samples, please don't divulge any proprietary information of your past employer. Okay, please be careful about that. You don't have to divulge any proprietary information of your past employer. Okay, now what you have to do with that portfolio? Now you have made a portfolio of yourself that okay, these things I am good at and this is how I accomplished my job, I accomplished my goals with my past employer. Now you have to share that portfolio maybe on your LinkedIn profile. I told you, you are not leveraging your LinkedIn profile up to that extent. जितना वो leverage हो सकती है, you are not leveraging, I'm damn sure. Guys, please keep on leveraging your LinkedIn profile. And if you really want a video from me on any subject or any XYZ subject related to interview skills, communication skills, public speaking, anything, guys, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely make a video for you, guys. Now, tip number 5 and the last tip from my side, that is differentiate this job from your previous job. What I mean by that, differentiating this job with your previous job. Why to differentiate? Guys, sometimes there can be a case that there is any hint that you are laid off due to your incapabilities. आप कैपेबल नहीं थे, आप एम्प्लॉयबल नहीं थे, या फिर आप इनएफिशिएंट थे, इसीलिए आपको ले ऑफ किया गया. इन दैट केस you have to differentiate this job from your previous job. Now, how you will differentiate? Because differentiating is very important. You have to make a case for you. Yes, you are advocate for yourself. You are fighting your case. You have to make a case for you. Like how your target job is a better fit. आपकी टारगेट जॉब जिसके लिए आप इस वक्त बैठे हैं इंटरव्यूअर के सामने, हाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर जॉब इज अ बेटर फिट फॉर यू, personally for you. Okay, so what you can do, you can just emphasize on your skills, your knowledge, your expertise, maybe your personal qualities that will enable you to perform at a higher level. You have to do that. Okay, those 5 tips, guys. Please again watch this video if you didn't get any point, and if you have any queries regarding this video, just let me know in the comment section. I will answer your comment. Okay, now the last thing and the foremost thing, a bonus tip from my side, that is mindset. I always talk about mindset. I go to colleges to take seminars, to take workshops. Mindset, guys. If you want to hear more about mindset, you can watch my Josh Talks video. Okay, you can find it on YouTube. You have to type Ankit Jain Josh Talks. Ankit Jain Josh Talk. You will find that video. Mindset, guys. I will give you a formula. Quickly, I will give you a formula right now. That is, success is equal to 80% mindset plus 20% skill set. Yes, guys. This is the key to success. You know what? Not your skill set. Your mindset is your key to success. 80% माइंडसेट, स्किल सेट आप सोच के देखिए, जो भी इस चेयर पर आकर बैठेगा, लाइक यू आर एन इंटरव्यू राइट नाउ, आपसे पहले और आपके बाद जो भी इस चेयर पर आकर बैठेगा, यू ऑल हैव द सेम स्किल सेट, यस और नो? थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, बट मोर और लेस यू विल बी हैविंग द सेम स्किल सेट. Differentiate, where you will differentiate from others, that is mindset. 80% it will decide on your mindset. How strong is your mindset? How capable are you to tackle the situations, to tackle the problems in your life, in your daily life, in your job? Okay, so please keep in mind these 5 tips and one bonus tip while facing the interviewer in that particular interview. Okay, so I'm signing off for now. Until we meet again. Thank you guys. Ankit Ravindra Jain. Bye bye.